Good morning, class. Till now, we have read concept of educational technology. We have seen uses of educational technology. Now, we are going to have an idea regarding overhead projector, still and moving projectors. So you are seeing in this movie picture an overhead projector projecting a paper slide. It is the oldest form of overhead projector, but manufactured latestly, because this is one of the overhead projector used in education system from last more than 100 years or more than that. In this projection system, this is light. It uses light to project an enlarged image on a screen. In the overhead projector, the source of the image is a paper-sized sheet of transparent plastic film, also known as foils, with the image to be projected, either printed or handwritten, drawn. These are placed on the glass surface of the projector, which has a light source below it and a projecting mirror and lens assembly above it. Hence, it is called overhead projector. They were widely used in education till the invention of computerized projectors. So, in an overhead projector, a focusing lens projects light from an illuminated slide onto a projection screen where a real image is formed. However, some of the differences are necessitated by the much larger size of the transparencies used, generally the size of a printed page, and the requirement that the transparency be placed face up and readable to the presenter. For the latter purpose, the projector includes a mirror just before or after the focusing lens to fold the optical system toward the horizontal. That mirror also accomplishes a reversal of the image in order that the image projected onto the screen corresponds to that of the slide as seen by the projector, looking down at it, rather than a mirror image thereof. Therefore, the transparency is placed face up towards the mirror and focusing lens. Here you can see another form of projector, that is a magic lantern, invented by a scientist, a physics expert, a mathematician, Christian Huygens. And in this, there is slide projections are there. Small slides was made and that has been projected through the eye. A continuous slide lantern was patented in 1888, near about 140 years from now. It included a dissolving views apparatus. What do you understand by dissolving views apparatus? That is that on one screen there is another screen, and while you are looking on one screen, the another screen will dissolve. So that is called dissolving views apparatus. It was having with it. Then, what are the components of a slide projector? A projector has four main elements: electric, incandescent light bulb, or other light source, usually fan cooled. Inside it, a small fan is there which is cooling it. Reflector and condensing lens to direct the light to the slide. Then slide holder. Then focusing lens, where the image is focused. A flat piece of heat absorbing glass is often placed in the light path between the condensing lens and the slide to avoid damaging the latter. To whom? To slide. This glass transmits visible wavelengths but absorbs infrared. ये visible wavelengths को तो निकाल देता है लेकिन infrared को absorb कर लेता है. Light passes through the transparent slide and lens, and the resulting image is enlarged and projected onto a perpendicular flat screen so the audience can view its reflection. Alternatively, the image may be projected onto a transparent rear projection screen, often used for continuous automatic display for close viewing. This form of projection also avoids the audience interrupting the light stream by casting their shadows on the projection or by bumping into the projector. Then at last it comes a movie projector. A movie projector is an optomechanical device for displaying motion picture film by projecting it on a screen. Most of the optical and mechanical elements except the illumination and sound devices are present in the movie camera. What are the illumination? Illumination is projected on the screen near about 70-80 meters away on a 72, 77, 75 meter screen. And sound devices are kept near the audiences so that they can listen it and listen the sound properly. Then what we have learned in this? We have seen a overhead projector, how it works, what is it? We have seen a magic lantern made by Christian Huygens and how the dissolving views are created. Then we have seen the components of slide projector and a device also folding component also. Then we have seen the movie projector. What is a movie projector all about? And then we are having such type of things with us. And with this, thanks for the lecture. And I hope all of you have enjoyed it. And in future, if you want to see this, you can visit my YouTube channel. There you will find it and you can easily see it. Thank you.